Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to share a printer with a various other printer on your network. Let's jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel, CONTROL. Control panel, just open it. And view by two large icons. Large icons not guys. Category view. Change to category view. And go to network and internet. And network and sharing center, open it. On left side, change advanced sharing settings, click on it. In here you need to turn on network discovery and network file and printer sharing, both of it you just need to turn it on. After that, close out of here guys. Let's move on to the next step. Go to search menu and type printer, printer, printer and scanner, open it. In here, select your printer want to share with. Go ahead and select the printer and that you are looking for to share. Print, you just need to select printer properties over here, and in printer properties you select sharing tab, and if your printer did support sharing, there will be an option there, share this printer. Go ahead and check mark that, and there is be a name that you can name this printer whatever you want over the network. Printer, scanner, you just need to add it guys. You just need to check mark that in sharing tab. I'm not using printer, not supposed to be share here, and go back to the printer scanner. After checked over here, check to mark over there. After that, add a printer and scanner, click on it. Make sure your printer is turned on and connected to the Wi-Fi, and you just need to locate the printer here guys. For some reason it wasn't listed, you can select add manually, and you would select the share printer by name, and here you need to type two backspace and type your user account name, and another backspace. After typing your user account name, another backspace and printer name. This will help you to search your network guys, easy way to locate it. And that's it guys. I hope this is definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.